How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
You will not believe what I use to get rid of my varicose blood spider veins. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy. You will not believe what I use to get rid of my varicose veins and spider veins. Varicose veins, they are large swollen veins that often appear on the legs and feet. Spider veins, they are small dilated veins that appear close to the surface of the skin. We need these ingredients to make this remedy: fresh garlic, peel it and grate it, one tablespoon of Varicose, one tablespoon of baking soda, one tablespoon of alcohol, then mix all the ingredients very well. You can store it for 3 weeks. Now apply it on your varicose or spider veins and cover it with plastic rope and leave it on for 2 hours. Then wash it with warm water. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.